what are the payback options for my policy loan? Insurance companies offer several different payback options for policy loans, and one that we really like is the automatic loan repayment option. So in this option, you set up the amount that you'd like to pay, the day you'd like to pay it, and then you set it. The insurance company sets up an automatic withdrawal from your bank each month, and then you can forget about it because the insurance company will automatically withdraw those funds each month and apply them to loan repayment on your policy. This is great because when you set the loan repayment option, you can also set the amount that you'd like to make sure that the interest on the policy loan is getting covered on a month-by-month basis. And that way, when the insurance company bills you each year for the interest, you can already know that it's taken care of with your monthly loan payments. And when you finish paying off a policy loan, the insurance company doesn't keep drafting your account month after month. Once the loan is repaid, the draft stops. Now, you can also choose to stop that draft or make changes to that draft at any time during the repayment process. So if one month you want to make a higher payment, you can just call and change the payment amount for that month. Or if you want to skip a month, you can call and make that change. You can also cancel any time. So it's really beautiful in the fact that you can set it up, you don't have to think about it, it just happens. But if you need to make changes, very easy to make changes. You can also send a payment in the mail, like a check, or you can call and make a phone payment, a one-time payment, to make loan repayments. But that automatic option is super nice because it just, again, it's you set it up once and you don't have to think about it, it just automatically happens. So if you have policy loans that you want to repay and you'd like to take advantage of that monthly automatic repayment option, give our office a call because we can help you set that up with your policies for the amount that you'd like to pay back, the time of month that works best for you, and then you can get that on autopilot so you don't have to think about that and it's just automatically happening for you every month.
We want to help you with all your insurance needs. Contact us 702-660-7000.